In this video, I will show you how to buy ETH on Crypto.com. So to do this, first open up the Crypto.com app and from the home screen, click on Buy. Now here you're going to select Ethereum. For me, it's the third option. If you don't see it right here, which sometimes can happen, type in ETH and you will then find it here. So select that. And now here, choose how much you want to buy. For example, I'll do 10 euros. And then where it says buy with, you can select the payment method you want to use. You can use your Euro account if you have some money in there. You can use Apple Pay, your card, PayPal, whatever you have connected. Or if you click add payment method in the bottom, you can connect a different payment method entirely. Now I'll just use my Euro account right here, which I have deposited some money into from my bank account. Now from there, click on review order and then click confirm. You will then see successful purchase and I've now bought some Ethereum. You will then find it under your accounts and then it may take some time to show up, but right here you're going to see your Ethereum. So now you know how to buy Ethereum on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.